Hello guys, you're welcome to this video tutorial today where I'll be showing you exactly how to run profitable ads. Now that you've learned dropshipping business from Extreme Pact, you've learned dropshipping business, you've also learned mini importation business. The next thing for you to do is to run ads for this business. Yes, I tell you, you need to run ads for you to succeed. Profitable ads is the way forward for you to make money with this new skill you have learned. Now, I'm going to be walking you through the process of setting up your ad campaign in such a way that you can start making money. But before you can set up ads, there are basic things you need to do first. To set up ad, you need a Facebook page. To have a Facebook page, you need to have a Facebook profile. What is a Facebook page and what is a Facebook profile? A Facebook profile is the one that the majority of us have, just that normal Facebook we have, where we chat with people and then we can put posts and read people's posts like you can see on the screen right now. So this is an example of a Facebook profile. So the Facebook profile enables you to have or create a Facebook page. A Facebook page basically is for business purposes, where you give your Facebook page a brand name and then you put products there, you put what you do there, and people see it and they come, they patronize you there. Now, how do we go about creating a Facebook page? That's the first thing we want to do in this part of this tutorial. We are going to walk you through the process of creating a Facebook page, and then later on we'll see how we can now use this Facebook page to create our ads. Now, to create a Facebook page, you come over to your Facebook profile as you can see on the screen right now, and then come over to the left hand side where you have these right up. You have friends, saved, pages, ad manager, and all of that. Click on pages. Click on pages. If you already have a page, it will bring out the list of pages you have. Like you can see the 3 pages on this already. But if there is no page associated with this Facebook profile, you will always see this create new page, this button, create new page. Just click on it and automatically it's going to bring up a page where you start setting up or creating this Facebook page. So the first thing you have to do is give this page a name. What is the name? Page name required. So let's say we want a page name for, what do we use now? Let's say we want to promote hairs. We want to sell woman hair and hair accessories. So let's just say treasure hairs. Treasure hairs. Good. So we can just put something like this. I'll put something like this. Let's make this caps lock, treasure hairs, and make this caps lock capital letter again. So let's say treasure hairs is the name. Now, this name, where does this name appear? Let's take a sample from another Facebook page. It's actually my Facebook page, JTech Digital Marketing Agency. So that name you're choosing is actually this name you're seeing that is appearing here, JTech Digital Marketing Agency. That is the name of my page. So that is exactly what you're going to choose here. So treasure hairs is what will appear on this part after creating this page. That is what you will see here. So that is what we want to use for now. So we can just put treasure hairs. Okay, let's add something to that. Treasure hairs online store. Good. Treasure hair online store. So this is the name of our page. So whenever someone searches with this name, the person will automatically go to your page. Now, category required. Facebook allows you to choose 2 categories for your name, the name you've just chosen. What does this category helps you do? This category helps to make your page become visible to people. People who are interested in that particular thing, in that line of business, will always see your page, especially when you're running an advert with this page. Now, because we are dealing on hair and hair accessories, woman hair, what we are going to do is you just type anything. Facebook will give you options. So we can type hair. Let's see the options they will give us. You see, hair salon, hair removal services, hair extension services, but let's go down and see hair barber, hair beauty, hair ventilation and hair conditioning. Let's say hair sales. Will anything come out like that? Okay, hair accessories. Let's see. Hair accessories. So nothing is popping up for hair accessories. We can tweak this a little. Let's okay, but for now we can choose hair extension services. Yes, hair extension services. So I'll click on it and it is entered. So remember, we have to choose at least a minimum of 3. So another thing I want to choose now is let's say beauty. Good, beauty. And let's see the options that will pop up for us. Beauty salon, beauty store, beautiful, beauty store, beautiful. And then we can come and do something like online good, internet marketing services. And okay, good, I think that is fine, internet marketing services. So we can just leave it at this 3. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to come to the description. What is the description? Again, let's go back to our sample page. This is the description in JTech Digital Marketing Agency. You see this right up here? When you open this page, this is exactly what you see. So this is your description. What your business is about. This is your description. JTech is a dynamic business branding agency based in Nigeria. Over the years, we have helped brands grow their business and achieve their goals. We also specialize in offering ICT training for individual schools and corporate organizations and all of that. So, but for now, for this one we are talking about hair. So we can write something like, we can say something like treasure hair is an online beauty store. It's an online beauty store. Just look for something to write. Actually, it's an online beauty store that deals on sales and importation of all kinds of human hair and hair accessories. Okay, we can just stop at this. So you can actually look up, take your time to write your description. It is very, very important. That deals, this should be deals, that deals, okay, deals with, okay, I think there's a spelling with these accessories. Okay, this should be O, sorry, not E. Accessories, good, that is the spelling. Okay, so we move. So we are done with the description. Like I said, you can take your time and then write your description, a catchy description. So after that, the next thing we will do is to click on create page. Immediately we click on create page, our page will be created. We'll just give it some time to load up and create the page. So as you can see, Treasure Hairline Store was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. So our page is created already. So all we just have to do now, you can see we now have more options. So we can now add our profile picture or we add our cover photo. Now what is the difference between profile picture and a cover photo? Again, let's go back to our sample page. Now you see this page, this is the front page. This is the profile photo. This one here, and then this is the cover photo. So this one usually is the logo. So your brand needs to have a logo, and then you use the logo as a profile picture, and then you do a flyer like a cover. So we'll just go over, I'll just use a logo that I designed for someone that is into hair Yeah, so this is Venice hair. So I designed some logo and then also a Facebook cover for her. I actually created a Facebook page for her. So let's just use the logo I created for her. So let's use this. The logo we are going to be using is a PNG logo. So use this and we open, and immediately the logo comes up in the page. Beautiful. So the next thing, we are going to add a cover, a photo cover. Now you need to take your time to design a photo cover. If you do not know how to design a photo cover, you meet someone to help you design it, or you can reach out to me. I will definitely do that for you. Now I also designed a photo cover for her. This is one of the sample I gave to her. I think I gave her another sample. Okay, good. This is one, this is another one, so we'll just use any one. So the size of a photo cover, in case you want to do it yourself, a photo cover for a Facebook page is 1020 by 105. That is the standard. So I click on it and I click on open, and automatically you can see that it is loading up our good. As you can see, we will now have a profile picture. I will now have a cover picture for our page. So you can see that the page is coming to life now. Treasure Hairs Online Store, and then you can see the logo. You can see hair extension services. So you see, when I choose hair extension services, the Facebook picked out the best one and then give me, or I think the first one, the first choice you pick is what Facebook puts here. So, and this is perfect hair extension services. Beautiful. Now the next thing I want to do is to click on save. Immediately I save this, our profile picture and our cover picture is saved, and they will bring us to this point. Okay, it's asking you, okay, as you can see, you are now interacting as Treasure Hairs Online. So anybody you chat with, your page basically is set up now. You can now chat with people and they'll be seeing you as Treasure Hairs Online. So I'll close this and then continue other setup. So they're asking me to connect my page to WhatsApp. Connect my page to WhatsApp. Of course you can do that, but I'll close this and walk you through the process of doing this. Some persons might not really see this pop up. In case you did not see this pop up, but if you see this pop up, just click and then add your phone number and proceed. But let's close this and let me walk you through the process of doing this, just in case you did not see that pop up. Cancel. Oh, it's like it wants me to do this before I proceed. Close again. Leave. Good. Beautiful. So I want to start from scratch to do this so that you'll be able to see how to do this. So we want to add a WhatsApp button to our Facebook page, so that whenever people come to our Facebook page, you know, it's easier to contact people via the WhatsApp button. Whenever people come to your WhatsApp button, to your WhatsApp page, they can click on the button and it will take them straight to your WhatsApp profile and they can chat with you. Now, to do that, just click on this add a button. You see here, add a button, and then it will bring up that initial pop-up you saw before. It will bring it up. So it's asking you, edit action button. What do you want the title of your button to be? We want it to be, do you want it to be follow, view gift card, start order, book now, call now, contact us, whatever. So you know what you want. But for us, we want a button that will send people to WhatsApp for this purpose, for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll click on it and then it will ask me to put my phone number. Let's just put a phone number 080 3329 293077. Okay, so this is just one of my number. I'm going to use it for this practice. So I'm going to send this. The number isn't associated with any WhatsApp. Okay, that number is not associated with any WhatsApp number. This number is correct, I'm sure. Okay, as you can see, the mistake here is in US. So we'll change this US to Nigeria. I think that was the mistake. So we'll change it to Nigeria. Good, plus 234. And let's see again. Let me click on continue and see what will happen this time. It should go now. Good. So it's they've sent me a code. Make sure that the number you are using is on WhatsApp already. You have registered it on WhatsApp already. Now they are going to send me a code on WhatsApp, and I'm simply going to enter that code. Yes, I've seen the code already. They've sent me the code and I'm looking at my phone now. So I will just insert it. The code is 87410. So they sent me via WhatsApp. So make sure the phone number is associated with a WhatsApp number, an active WhatsApp number. So after inputting the code, I'm going to click on enter, and immediately it is verified. So as you can see, a button has been added to your page. Beautiful. So we are now setting up our page gradually. What else is there to set? So basically our Facebook page is set up. We can now begin to put our post, put a post here. You can put a post, sample your hair if you're into hair, put some hair, put the amount, describe the hair a little and all of that, and gradually people will begin to like the your page. So you can copy this page. This is your page here. Copy this, web.facebook.com/treasurehairsonline. Copy it and then send to people so that people can like the page. So basically this is how to create a Facebook page. So we'll now move over to creating our ad. So I don't want this video to be so long. The next video you're going to be watching now is a step-by-step video on how to create your ad campaign with this page we have just created. I will see you in that video.